On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram mention in story. So if you have any problem with the mention in story, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you have to do is just keep watching until the end, and I'm gonna show you two ways to fix it. The first way is open the settings, go to the apps, open the apps, go to the Instagram app, and now click on this force stop option, and now click on the notifications. Scroll down until you find Instagram direct. From here, make sure it's enabled, and also make sure that all those options are enabled. After you make sure that, all what you have to do now is click on the storage, click on clear data to clear the data. And last thing you want to do is click on the Play Store and search for Instagram and update it if you don't have the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe.